Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make egg drop soup. We'll start by gathering just a few key ingredients to build a rich, savory broth. Then, I'll show you the technique for creating those beautiful, delicate egg ribbons that define this classic dish. You'll be surprised how easy it is to achieve restaurant-quality results right in your own kitchen. Let's get cooking. The foundation of great egg drop soup is a well-seasoned broth. Start with 4 cups of quality chicken or vegetable broth, bringing it to a gentle simmer. Next, stir in 1 tablespoon of soy sauce and 1/2 teaspoon of sesame oil to enhance the flavor profile. Finally, prepare a slurry with 2 tablespoons of cornstarch and an equal amount of cold water. Then slowly whisk it into the simmering broth until it slightly thickens. Now for the star of the show, the egg ribbons. In a small bowl, whisk 2 large eggs until they are just combined, but not frothy. With the broth at a gentle simmer, slowly drizzle the whisked eggs into the soup in a thin stream, stirring continuously in one direction. This creates those beautiful, delicate strands. Cook for about 30 seconds until the eggs are set, then remove from heat and serve your delicious soup right away. To finish your perfect egg drop soup, garnish with a sprinkle of fresh chopped green onions for a pop of color and a hint of freshness. A dash of white pepper can also add a subtle warmth and complexity. Serve your soup hot and enjoy this comforting, easy-to-make dish. Before you go, remember to check the description for a link to Darn Tough socks and other great deals. They're truly worth it. Thanks for watching and happy cooking.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.